Have you ever noticed that there are 3 words for Ireland in Irish? Éire, Éirinn and Éireann. How are you supposed to know which one to use? Here's the answer. Use Éire when you're just referring to the country. Éire is Annam Dunstall. This is the name of Ireland in Irish. Éire. This is what you see on stamps. Use Éirinn after prepositions, little words like in, under, at, and so on. Tá me in Éirinn. Dil me Éirinn an bhliain seo caite. Fáilte go hÉireann. How are you going to remember this? Just remember one example. In Éirinn. And finally, Éireann or na hÉireann. This is the genitive form of the word. It means of Ireland. It's used for description. If we see a president, you want to say, tell me more. Well, President of Ireland. I'm giving you more information. Uachtarán na hÉireann. Or the Irish soccer team, the soccer team of Ireland. Fuireann soccer na hÉireann. You'll also see Éireann used without the na before it. Irish bus, bus Éireann. Irish rail, Iarnród Éireann. Agus sin é, tá sé agat anois.